All right, Rob Allen with Stromquist & Company and Controltrends. We're here in San Antonio, Texas at the KMC Conference, and I'm joined by Richard Newberry. Richard, for the folks that don't know you, tell everybody what your role is with KMC.
I'm Richard Newberry, as he said, and I'm chairman and advisor to the board.
Very cool, and so Richard's kind of from what I can tell, the brains of the conference and the one that's kind of putting together and doing a lot of the main emceeing and that kind of stuff. And I got to hand it to you, this is our first KMC conference, and you're a small company in regards to kind of what else is out there, but it's a big company feel. You guys have put a lot into it. I love that you talk about your ability to be agile and move rapidly to changing market conditions and that type of stuff. You've really hit home with that. The product rollout that we've got to see back at Stromquist and now reconfirmed today has been excellent. Super good stuff. So really, job well done. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
And so in constructing this, what sort of was your mission, behind what you wanted to bring to us and what you wanted to show us?
Well, we as a team sat down and we realized that we needed to be less engineering driven and sales focused and more technology driven and market focused. So we sat down and we revisited our mission. And our mission, and that's our promise to our customer, that's why we exist, is innovative and intuitive solutions from responsive and supportive people. And we want to be known for our market focus, creativity, and passionate, dedicated employees. And we've launched some awesome products in just over 1 year. And we have a relationship now with Dell and Intel that is very, very powerful, and we believe that KMC Commander is going to be a game changer. Absolutely,
and we had some really good keynotes this morning and yesterday from, Intel went yesterday and Dell went this morning. Andy Rhodes talked about IT and OT and bringing the Internet of Things and all that together. Really well received. Now, Commander is kind of the big buzz, and I know it's still to be rolled out. I think we're looking at early next year for that. Mm-hmm. But what's kind of the sneak peek kind of preview, or what can you talk about with Commander?
Well, Commander is an open and secure and scalable smart building appliance for all sizes of buildings. But we believe that Commander is the only affordable small building solution that's open and secure. And so we really have a focus on that small building, but the nice thing about Commander is it can work for any building. So it's scalable, it's affordable for the small building, but it has the power to handle the large building and a full portfolio of buildings. And the other big part of Commander is we are using leading security technologies from Intel and Dell. We know security is a big issue for buildings, hacks every day. Today it was a phone company, I forget what it was, T-Mobile.
Oh, wow.
A big hack there. So we're really focused on making sure it's open, secure, and scalable. So this has open APIs at the Commander box level and at the cloud level. And we're putting together an ecosystem of developers that are going to develop applications, and we're going to employ what I consider the last strategic weapon in business, and that is speed.
Absolutely. Great stuff. I'm so excited about the Commander. Just sat through the second part of the breakout session, and I don't know if there was going to be a PowerPoint or not, but we just sat there and just fielded questions, and I thought that was so neat, how all that happened. So really, hats off to you guys. Really good job. So last question. I've been super impressed with how KMC and you went after Dell and went after Intel, and you shared some of those stories, but man, how'd you do that?
Well, it's an interesting story. I saw Intel's technology in June of 2014, and I knew as soon as I saw it, because we are planning on moving to become the tech leader in our industry. And so I was looking for technology that we could leverage. And when I saw Intel's solution, I knew that was going to be part of the technology we needed. So I barged into one of Intel's meetings, and I told them I'm from KMC, and we want to be an early adopter. And it took a few weeks. They called me, and they came and took a look at us, and they really liked what they saw. And what they're most impressed with is our ability to be agile and our speed. And then Intel was so impressed, they introduced us to Dell. And I had to basically go to Dell's headquarters and sit through 3 levels of meetings, 3 levels of management at Dell. and basically make my case to them. And I'm proud to say the next day, the leading person there, the top leader, took the recommendation to Michael Dell and Jeff Clark, and they approved it the next day. So they have formed a separate IoT business unit, and one of their key focuses is to build KMC Commander Box.
Wow, that's great. Now, I've actually asked about the inside story, and a couple people told me that really would have had a lot to do this with your style and your black glasses. They didn't know who it was that barged in,
Yeah.
and it was your black glasses and style, right?
That's all they remembered of the whole team. That guy with the black glasses, and they called our 800 number and asked about the guy with the black glasses. So yeah, that's part of the story.
So the rumor's true. I'm going to go out and get my own black glasses. Good stuff. Richard, thanks so much. Yep. Excellent job. I really mean that. You know, this has been a lot of fun. We didn't really know what to expect when we came to KMC Conference for the first time. We'll definitely be back. So thank you so much. Job well done.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Good job. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.